Yo. This the Toronto Raptors, but yo, I'm doing it in the middle of the video. I'm gonna call you back later, all right? Yay. It's getting serious out here, yo. Holy fucking shit, I hear the phone ringing. No, I hear the phone ringing. Y'all hear that? Yo, yeah. Oh, bro, yo, gosh. Bro, the fucking Philadelphia 76ers are calling me, bro. I'm in the middle of a video, bro. Priorities first. Matter of fact, holy fucking shit. Oh, it's the Chicago Bulls. They're hitting me up. Bro, they're like, how about a 2-year offer right now? I love Chicago, man. A beautiful city. It's just cold over there. I need the Warriors to hit me up first. I might reconsider it off. Just hit me back up in like 5 months. I'm in the middle of the video, though. I'll get back to y'all.